Okay guys, today's the big day. I'm going to show you how to remove the massive O-ring here on the compressor housing. The exhaust turbine housing you probably wouldn't need any help with explanation, but it's just 4 or 6 bolts. And on this side, there's big O-ring here. You're going to need this tool right here. It's a circlip removal tool. I have it compressed already. Let me just remove it. Okay, now this is pretty loaded up, so you better be careful. But that's the puller you're going to need. It's different brands are available. This is a Lang tool, I believe. Yep. Well, that's how you get the clip off. That's kind of hard holding the camera and playing with this thing because it actually can spring, I think. So I'm gonna. See if I can. I'm not sure where I'm going now, actually. Tightening, alright. Loosening or tightening? Oh, God. My hand hurts. Oh my God. Oh, that is a big clip. Well, anyway, it didn't come off, so I guess. Well, be careful with that.